Hi folks, welcome back to today's challenge. Today's challenge is something that is going to use the combination of your previous challenges, what you have already done. If you haven't, don't worry, follow along. After you're done, you can follow up with the previous challenges so you get better in your practice. We are going to have the essential part of Surya Namaskar. Follow along with me and see how far you have already came, how much you have already improved. Starting your challenge in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, when you are ready, going on your mat, your palms are pressing, fingers wide open, toes flat behind. Here, you start to catch up with your breath. And first thing first, we are going to warm up our back with cat and cow pose, Manjari Asana. So when you feel ready, follow along. Starting now, inhale slowly, your head and hips rising. Exhale down, getting in tune with your spine. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing just with your nose throughout your practice. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, rise up fully. Let your shoulders squeeze into your back, arch with your back, rising up your hips. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Coming back to the center. As you are ready, from here, take a deep breath in, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Staying here in downward dog, so let your hamstring get stretched first. Taking a deep breath in, looking in the center of your knees. 1. Make sure that your neck is fully relaxed, your shoulders are square, and you are breathing deep. 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep here, holding the breath, bend your knee, your chin and your chest down. Exhale. Elbows are close with your ribs, holding the breath, toe flat. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend the knee, push up the hip, going on your toes and lifting up. Inhale deep, bend your knee, your chin down. Exhale, go flat. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale deep, bend the knee, chin down. Exhale, going flat. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one when you're ready. Inhale deep, bend your knee, chin down. Exhale here, let your chest stay up. Take a deep breath in, lifting up. Exhale, downward. Here, the third part of the challenge, taking a deep breath in, holding the breath, walking forward towards your hand. And once you're ready, slowly rising up, standing straight in Samastiti. So now we are ready to start with Surya Namaskar A. We are going to repeat it for 3 times. Let's do it together. When you're ready, A, come inhale, rise up your hands. Join your palms, look at your thumbs. Dwe, exhale, forward bend. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back. If you need to, knees down. Elbows are close with your ribs. Exhale down. Your chest always stay above the floor. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing deep, staying here for count of 5. Surya Namaskar is an excellent way to have your full body workout. If you're practicing sun salutation at least 2 or 3 times in a week, you're already on your path to get a good fitness. 4, 5, Sapta, step or jump forward, inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale down. Nava, inhale, rise up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second last, Ekam, inhale. Dwe, exhale, forward bend. Trini, inhale, head up. Chattari, step or jump back. Exhale. Pancha, inhale up. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale down. Nava, inhale, rise up. Exhale, Samastiti. Last one. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Stay in tune with your breathing. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back. Exhale as you go down. Pancha, inhale up. Chat, exhale down. Stay and breathe deep. Eyes are trying to look in the direction of your navel center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, step or jump forward. Inhale, head up. Ashtanga, exhale down. Nava, inhale, rise up. Join the palms, looking at your thumbs. Exhale, Samastiti. Well done, folks. This is the end of your challenge for today. You have done Surya Namaskar in a proper way. Now, you deserve to lay down and relax before starting off with your day. So simply lying down on your mat. Open your legs wider than your hips, hands very wide. With your closed eyes, rest in Shavasana.